Welcome to today's video, where we take a closer look at some of the most dangerous moments on the road and how quick decisions can change everything. Driving requires full attention. Sometimes a split-second mistake can lead to disaster. Let's analyze real incidents and learn from them. Safe driving should always be your top priority. Let's dive into some cases where minor miscalculations resulted in major accidents. In this clip, the driver on the left makes a crucial mistake, failing to check the rearview mirror before switching lanes. A small oversight, but a big consequence. Who is at fault here? Comment below if you think the driver who changed 2 lanes at once caused this accident. A dangerous maneuver, a vehicle attempting a 360-degree turn while still in the turn lane. Was this reckless driving or just poor judgment? Traffic congestion increases the risk of accidents. Stay alert, keep a safe distance, and be prepared for sudden stops. Keeping track of real-time traffic updates can help you make better driving decisions and avoid high-risk areas. In a shocking event, an airbag compressed inside a heater exploded at a car repair shop in Diyarbakir, Turkey, last March. Thankfully, no one was injured, but this incident highlights the importance of handling. Did you know that over 1.3 million people die in road accidents every year? That's more than 3,500 lives lost daily. And for every fatal accident, there are countless others that result in life-changing injuries. But why do so many crashes happen? Behind every accident, there's a story. Some people are lucky enough to survive and share their lessons. Let's hear from those who lived to tell the tale. Now, let's take a look at some of the craziest car crashes caught on camera. Some of these will leave you speechless. Remember, these are real incidents, and they serve as a powerful reminder to always stay alert on the road. Road safety isn't just a government responsibility, it's on all of us. Every time you get behind the wheel, remember that your actions can either save or take a life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to spread awareness. Together, we can make our roads safer. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.